Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'll tell you how you can sign up for Introduction to Embedded System Design course on NPTEL and SWAYAM portal. So I just need to click on the link. So once I click on the link, I'm on the website, which is a free online education website by SWAYAM and in partnership with NPTEL. So this is an Introduction to Embedded System Design course, which is designed by Professor Dhananjay V. Kadre and Professor Badri Subudhi. They are the professors of Netaji Subhash University of Technology, New Delhi, and Indian Institute of Technology, Jammu. So embedded system, like as all most of the engineering students have actually interest in this field. So the intended audience for this course is undergraduate students in engineering and science. The prerequisites are anyone with a basic understanding of electronic components, circuits, and all these. So this course is supported by Texas Instruments, and what you need to do is you just need to enroll for the course. The course is free of cost, you don't need to pay anything, and you are getting a certificate directly from IIT Jammu and NSUT. So duration of the course is 12 weeks. The course will start from 18th of January 2021 and it will be ending on 9th of April 2021. After that, if you want, you can take an exam as well for 25th of April 2021. So basically this is for undergraduate or postgraduate students. Here is the course flow as well. So I'll just show you how you can actually complete the sign in procedure here. So for completing the sign in procedure, you just need to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be redirected to this page, which is Microsoft, Google, Facebook. You can use any of three to log in. Like you can use your Outlook account, you can use your Google account, or you can use your Facebook account, or you can alternatively click on sign up and fill in all your details. So I'll do the easy one. I'll just click on Google. So once I click on Google, after that I'll just show you how it can be done. So you can use any of the sign up methods. Either you can use your Microsoft account as I already described, or you can use your Google or Facebook as well, and otherwise you have an alternative option of sign up now. So I'll just quickly click on sign up now, considering I'm a new user on this website. So this website is basically supported by Ministry of Human Resource Development and All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE. So you just need to enter your username, your password, and after that just basic things, confirm your email address. So once you are done, you just need to create the account. So let me create my account. So once I'm done, I'll just show you the next part. So what I've done is here is I have entered my username, my password, confirm my password. After that I have entered my email address, and then a verification code is sent to my email address. It will look something like this, similar to this actually. So this is the email address that I was talking about. Now I'll just enter the verification code here. Once I enter the verification code, I can verify the code. So here my verification is done. I just need to click on create. So the portal is pretty fast. So once you just open it, and it will be actually opening directly. So yeah, this is the course Introduction to Embedded Design System. Just need to click on join. Just click on join. Once you click on join, you will get this form which will be asking your name, your email, mobile number, which age group does you belong to, country you are residing in currently, your profession, your highest qualification, your year of graduation, and are you part of SWAYAM local chapter. So let it be no. After that, state, city, and college or school name. So fine, I'll just fill in my details. So I'll just quickly fill in my details. So once I do, after that I'll just country residing in India. I'll just fill my uh, like profession. You can fill your profession, either you're a student, faculty, employed. So as I'm employed, I'll fill employed, but as you all will be students, so I'll be taking the example as student, so that it will be easy for you all as a reference. Your highest qualification, 4-year bachelor's degree, year of graduation, it starts from 1950. Okay, great. So let's say I am taking as a year of graduation as 2020. Are you a part of so I'm local chapter? No. Entering my state here. So I'm in Karnataka. I'll state my enter my state. Enter my city here. I'll just enter my city. After that, they'll ask me to enter my college name. There is a lot of college name. Okay, fine. I'll select a random college name from here. Let's say BNM. After that they are asking my college school roll number or what degree I was in. So let's say I was in BE department they are asking in. So if I am in computer science and engineering, select study year, let's say fourth year. I agree to some terms condition, I agree to follow the honor code, right? So this is it, this is the form that you need to fill before enrolling the course, right? So you just need to fill and just click on save. So as soon as you click on save, it will be done. So cool, you can see it here. So right, I have enrolled for the course. So basically it is the basic guidelines, what is NPTEL course, how it works, what is the course outline, and this all the things who will be going to be my guide, who is the professor, how you can submit your assignments, your, like you can see your courses here. So once I click here, I can actually see the course that I have applied for, right? So this is the course, Introduction to Embedded System Design. I just need to go to the course. So there are many courses like this here. So this is a special course powered by Texas Instrument. So do sign up for it, and after signing up do fill in your details in the provided form so that we can follow up with you for further updates. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Do subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Bye.